Hello students and welcome to Unit 1. Let's take a look at the workload that we have for us in this unit. The first thing that you notice in Unit 1 is that we're going to do some introductions. You will be introducing yourself to the class. We'd like to know a little bit about you, your name, where you're from, some of your background, hobbies, interests, goals, that type of thing. You will notice that as part of the requirement for this assignment, you do need to you need to actually insert into your introduction, and there is a link to a video provided by one of my colleagues that will help you know how to do that. So when you're ready to introduce yourself, you click on this link to introductions, and you will see right now that I have posted an introduction, and as students come out here, there will be a list. There'll be more than just mine. To read any thread that has been posted, go ahead and click on the link, and that will open up the post, and there you will see what I've posted as my introduction and the image of myself. And so this is what I'm looking for, is that you would insert an image. I don't want the image attached as an attachment. I want it actually embedded and posted inside your introduction. So let me go back. When you come out here and you're ready to introduce yourself, you're going to say click on thread, and here again is the instructions with that video. The subject is going to be your name, and then down in this box is where you type your introduction. This little icon right here is where you would insert an image, and I'm not going to go into much more of that because there is that video that will help you with that. Once you have posted your introduction, the next thing we have to do is we have a little setup work that we need to do to get going in the class. In addition to logging into Blackboard, which is our learning management system or learning management platform, we have some software that's provided by our textbook publisher at an external website. The software is called SAM, which is Skills Assessment Manager, and we need to get each one of you set up with an account to log into that software so that you can complete the assignments. So there are some instructions posted here. When you buy your textbook bundle, it will come with a SAM key code or access code, and that will be some digits, some numbers that you will need to gain access to the SAM website the first time you log in. You'll see in the instructions later that if for some reason you have a delay in getting your textbooks, there is a way for you to create your account on SAM and have temporary access for a couple weeks until you do get that key code. The first thing that you're going to want to do is run a SAM systems browser check. There's a link for that, and it will just perform a check, and you'll see that all of my things work out here, but if you need to correct something, it will have instructions for you. Then I have posted a video that my book publishing rep has been nice enough to create specifically for you DMAC students, with a walkthrough of instructions of how to set up your SAM account. There's also a video provided by the Cengage company, so either of those would be helpful. And then I've also included printed instructions. That is a login guide that will walk you through step by step the process of creating your account. Creating your account is a one-time process. Once you get set up, you won't have to go through this particular process again. So if you click on this link, it will open up a file that I've saved as PDF, and you can print it or just use it on the screen. It will take you through step by step, specifically logging into Blackboard, and then how to create your account with SAM. Also, I've included instructions on how to use the SAM tech support. As we go through the semester, if you encounter any issues with SAM that you need help with, they do have a dedicated tech support team that is here to assist us. I am going to encourage you whenever you have issues with SAM to go ahead and fill out a tech support ticket so that they can help you more efficiently. And also, it's important because if they see patterns of students reporting similar issues, then that brings their attention to that and allows them to make improvements to make the software better. This tech support guide is also posted out on the course content page where there is a link to the SAM tech support. So there's instructions for contacting tech support. Once you get your SAM account set up, and you will need that key code, like I said, you're also going to need to know your complete DMAC email address and of course an internet connection. But once you have that set up, in most of the units we are going to have assignments out in SAM, and we're going to have 3/4 different types of assignments in SAM. First would be what we call a training assignment. So if I click on this link, it will launch SAM and take me to this training assignment. Training assignments are going to be a simulated environment where it shows us how to do tasks in certain software. In this case, Windows 10, but we'll be seeing how to use Excel and Access and Word. And so there will be some tasks that it will demonstrate how to do, and then it will ask you to perform them with some assistance. And then finally, you will apply your knowledge and they will ask you to complete a task and you'll do it on. I have posted a video that you can watch explaining how to complete training in SAM. So that's the video, but this link up here is the link to the training. You'll notice this little icon. This is the Cengage or SAM icon that will allow you to easily identify any assignments that are in SAM, which means that an external website will be launched. The next type of assignment in SAM is an exam, and the exam, just like the training, is a simulated environment where you're asked to perform tasks on your own and you'll be evaluated. There is a one-to-one correlation between the task that you are asked to complete in training and the tasks that will be presented in the exams. So if there were 5 training tasks in Windows, those same 5 tasks will be presented in the exam. You can complete the training numerous times, as many times as you would like until you feel proficient. With the exams, you have 1 attempt. Again, I have a video explaining how to complete exams that you're welcome to watch before you take your first exam. In later units, we will have other types of assignments, one of them being reading assignments. You'll click on a link and it will take you out to an electronic textbook, our Discovering Computers textbook, which we don't have in printed form, but you'll be able to read the content online. Another type of assignment we will have are projects, and there's really 2 types of projects. One is a textbook reading project, which is a project you will do as you follow along in the reading in the textbook. And the other type is a project that you will do on your own after you've completed the reading in the textbook. I'll explain more about projects later in the next unit when they come up, but in those cases you will complete a project, upload it, SAM will score it, give you grading comments, and then you will be allowed to make revisions and resubmit it, and you'll have 3 attempts per project. So we'll talk about that later. Good luck with Unit 1. I'm glad to have you in class, and we will see you in Unit 2. Thanks.